Welcome back friends, I am Shubham and you are watching the Wrestling Battle. Friends, in this video I am going to tell you about the next pay-per-view of AEW, which is AEW Fyter Fest. Friends, originally Fyter Fest 2020 was supposed to happen at London, but due to pandemic, as you know, it can't happen right now at London. Instead of every pay-per-view of every AEW, Fyter Fest 2020 is going to happen on 2 days. So basically it's a 2 day show. The first day show will happen on Wednesday 1st July 2020 and the next day show will happen on Wednesday 8th July 2020. Friends, being a 2 day show, now US people need to tune into TNT from 8 to 10 pm both nights to watch the show for free, and the international viewers can watch the show live on Fight for a small fee. In this video, I am going to tell you about the matches that is going to happen at AEW Fyter Fest pay-per-view. So please watch this video till the end. But before watching this video, please make sure that you subscribe my channel and hit the notification bell so that you can get notification of every video that I am going to upload in the future. So friends, let's start this video. So coming to the first match, and this will be Jon Moxley versus Brian Cage for the AEW World Championship. Friends, at Double or Nothing 2020 pay-per-view, we saw the debut of former Impact Wrestling World Champion Brian Cage. He was the mystery participant in the first ever AEW Casino Ladder match, and guess what? He won that match. It was the predefined that whoever is going to win that match, he will get an opportunity to face Jon Moxley for the AEW World Championship in the future. Now, Brian Cage won that match and he got an opportunity to face AEW World Champion Jon Moxley for the AEW World Championship. This match is going to happen in night 2. Now Brian Cage and Jon Moxley is going to fight against each other at AEW Fyter Fest for the AEW World Championship, where Jon Moxley will try to retain the championship while Brian Cage will try to become the new world champion. So coming on the next match, and this will be for the AEW World Tag Team Championship, which is going to happen in between the Team Elite, which is Kenny Omega and Hangman Page, and the opponent team will be the Best Friends. Friends, like Brian Cage, the Best Friends also got this opportunity at AEW Dawn. Although in between some of the teams already got that opportunity to fight against Adam Hangman Page and Kenny Omega, but Omega and Hangman Page defeated everyone. Now they are going to defend their tag team championship against the Best Friends at AEW Fyter Fest 2020. This match is going to happen in night 1. The next match, it will be for the AEW TNT Championship, which is going to happen in between Cody Rhodes versus Jake Hager. Friends, after winning the AEW TNT Championship at Double or Nothing pay-per-view, Cody Rhodes said that he is going to defend his title at every week, and he is doing that. He is defending his title at every week since he won that title. This means also that he is going to defend his championship on both nights. But it depends that if he will successfully retain his championship on first night against Jake Hager. Jake Hager challenged Cody Rhodes for the AEW TNT Championship after the match when Cody defeated Mark Quinn in a classic match. It has been officially announced that Cody Rhodes will defend his AEW TNT Championship against Jake Hager on July 2nd, 2020 and at AEW Fyter Fest 2020. This match is going to happen in night 1. So coming on the next match, and this is happening in between Orange Cassidy versus Chris Jericho. Well, it is a habit of Chris Jericho to attack on superstars. He likes to mocking of superstars. Few weeks ago, he attacked on Orange Cassidy, but next week Orange Cassidy took his revenge. First, he caused the Jericho's match, and the post-match, he attacked on Chris Jericho. Now it has been officially announced that Chris Jericho will fight against Orange Cassidy at Fyter Fest pay-per-view, and this match is going to happen in night 2. So coming to the next match, and this is going to happen in between Hikaru Shida versus Penelope Ford for the AEW Women's Championship. Friends, since when AEW come into the business, their women's division didn't grow as compared to men's division. Actually, women's division could not leave their marks. but from several months, their women's division are doing very well. Superstars like Hikaru Shida is good for business. At Double or Nothing 2020 pay-per-view, Hikaru Shida won the AEW Women's Championship by defeating Nyla Rose, and now she is going to defend this title against Penelope Ford at AEW Fighter Fest pay-per-view. Both women have their own style, and we can expect a decent match in between them at Fighter Fest 2020. This match is going to happen in night 1. Friends, there are still many matches are going to happen on both nights, and here it is. Friends, these are the matches that are going to happen at AEW Fighter Fest 2020 pay-per-view. If you want to get any update regarding pro wrestling or wrestling world, you can visit on our website. Our website name is wrestlingbattle.com. You will get every latest update regarding pro wrestling and UFC world on there. Friends, this is all about from this video. Thank you for watching this video. Please take care of yourself.